Hi guys. Time check, 8:48. Ka-overnight kami with fam. Say hi, Day. Look. Mga food, guys. Food namin. Look, our tent. Uy, pabay namin ma-vlog. Hi, B.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Welcome to our vlog. Guys, tent. Wait lang. Mga 15 minutes kayo, Mato. B, na bago. Morning, guys. It's 5:40. Ganda. Wow. Okay. Literal. It's so pretty. I miss this view every morning. Look. Ganda. Hi, guys. Ganda. Literal na good morning. Ito. Sunrise, guys. Sunrise. So, guys, tingnan nyo. Malayo pa yun, guys. Until doon pa doon. And then doon sa kabila. Tapos, best view. Bye. Boxer niya, boxer. Ikaw nyo, no? Ganun talaga. Oh, okay. Hi guys, beach na naman. Hindi na? Guys, it's so pretty. Uy naman sa init. Hi! Hello! Isa ko. Mwah! Ba naman ang init. Ang pretty, guys. Time. Hi guys. Nasa beach na naman kami. No. Hi. Kanagana mag-video ako. Hey! Bye! Yo! Guys, look. Sa amin yan, pero close. Diba, nabutan ko siya. Look, guys. Let's go. Tapos, gate namin. So, pinabalik ako, guys. Kasi hindi pala i-close ang door. Pero ang sunset, look, it's so pretty pa rin. So, last day ko na today. And I'm going home. And I'm going home. I'm going to Zamboanga na tomorrow. Sa random video ko, puro sunset, sunrise ang kita niya. Puro nasa beach. Actually, galing kami beach today. Bye, sunset. Bye, sunset! Malayo talaga, guys, yung gate namin. Ganda pa rin ng sunset. Here I am. Bahay na. And our pusa is eating. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.